everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to write on a picture in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document. Then go to Insert. To insert your picture, click on Pictures if you want to add a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures if you want to add an online picture. I will just select or add an online picture. Let's add this one, for example. Click on it, then click on Insert. Now, let's delete this. Now, click on this icon here in the top right corner and select this option, the Behind Text option. Or click on the picture, then go to Format, and here go to Wrap Text and select Behind Text. Now go back to the Home tab and add your text. Let's type text. Oops. Let's change the size and the font. Let's align it and change the color as well. And that's it. You can also let's delete this text first. You can also go to the Insert tab and then select Text Box and choose one of these text box. I will choose this simple text box, and then place it on the top of the picture. Change your text and then go to Format under the Drawing Tools and go to Shape Fill and select No Fill. Then go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now go back to the Home tab and change the size and the font of your text. And you can also change the color. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.